Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Tracer in Overwatch 2 using an easy method. First, let's understand her core kit. Her pulse pistols are rapid-fire weapons, best used up close. Blink lets you teleport quickly, up to 3 charges, making you incredibly agile. Recall is your lifeline, rewinding your position and health to 3 seconds ago, perfect for escaping danger or undoing mistakes. Mastering these 3 abilities is fundamental to her playstyle. Tracer excels at disrupting the enemy backline. Use your blinks to quickly get behind enemy lines, targeting healers or low-health damage dealers. Look for opportunities when enemies are distracted or have used key abilities. Always be ready to disengage with recall if you find yourself in a dangerous situation or take significant damage. Your goal is to create chaos and secure eliminations without getting eliminated yourself, maintaining high survivability. Tracer's ultimate, Pulse Bomb, is a powerful tool for securing critical eliminations. Aim to stick it directly onto high-priority targets like support heroes or tanks with low health. A common tactic is to blink in, stick the bomb, and then immediately recall to safety. This ensures you deal massive damage without putting yourself at risk. Practice this combo to maximize its effectiveness and secure those crucial picks for your team. To truly master Tracer, always be mindful of your cooldowns. Don't waste all your blinks at once, save 1 or 2 for escapes. Prioritize targets that are isolated or pose a significant threat to your team, like a sniper or a powerful healer. Consistent practice with your aim and movement, especially in custom games, will significantly improve your overall performance. Remember, Tracer is about precision, speed, and knowing when to strike.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.